to my channel, sharing good vibes. For today's vlog, guys, I'm going to cook roast sweet potato and crispy mushroom hummus ball. So that is roast sweet potato and crispy mushroom hummus ball. So that is the hummus, lentils, lemon, onions, green onions, and dill, broccoli. That's the mushroom, and that's the sweet potato. Okay guys, samahan niyo ako. Thank you. Sweet mushroom natin is 5 pieces. 1 of the sweet potato, whole lemon is 1, and 1 bunch of this 1 stalk of onion, green onions, and the dill is I'm going to use 1/3. The dill is like a 1/4 bunch, and broccoli is 4 stalks, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and ayan siya. And the hummus is a 2/3 cup, and green lentils is like a 1/3 cup, guys. So there you go, guys. I am going to bake that sweet potato with I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper. So then we have to bake this one for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so since niluto na yung atin sweet potato for 15 to 20 minutes, so ngayon i-add natin yung we're going. Okay, so another 15 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes. So meanwhile, I already rinsed that, and then all you need to do is bring it to boil or lower to simmer until lentils are tender, and for another 15 to 20 minutes, and then we can drain this after to transfer it to the bowl. And then there you go. As you can see, I already washed them, and then all we need to do is boil them and lower it to simmer for another 15 minutes actually. So we can cook this one for 15 minutes. There. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover that one, and we'll be ready for 15 minutes. So there you go, guys. As you can see, it's done and it's ready after 15 minutes. So broccoli and the mushrooms are all done, and while waiting for this lentils to cook for another 12 minutes maybe. This is already also done. So this is what we call roast sweet potato and crispy mushrooms hummus ball. So ito yung magiging guys yung sahog. This one, the hummus, we call it hummus. Yan, masarap siya guys. Sa salad. So those are all our toppings: hummus, dill, green onions, and of course the lemon. So then it's ready. Once again, it's another dish from Sharing Good Vibes. It's called the roast sweet potato and crispy mushroom hummus ball. So there we go. This is our hummus ball, guys. This is a very good sauce, so you can put that on top. And there you go. So I am going to try it right now. There, the lentils looks good. The broccoli is, and the mushroom was so crispy. So it's perfect. There we go. Thank you once again for watching. Take care everyone, and God bless. Bye for now.